Hi everybody, I'm Bree the Plant Lady, and today I am replanting this east-facing window box for the summer season. It's currently filled with a great native Carex, Carex cherokeensis. I'm going to actually transplant that into the garden under a live oak to help do its job for ground plane coverage. And for the summer season, this window box is going to be filled with drought-tolerant, beautiful succulents. So let me show you the process. So this got planted last fall. It's done great all winter, not really getting much water. Every now and again I would remember to bring out a watering can, but I know that these Carex are going to do great planted in the ground. But I wanted to show you also this great design. The window box literally just comes right off, so it's super easy for me to replant each season. Well, I think these Carex are going to do really well here in this dappled shade, and it'll help fill in some gaps because I do have some weed pressure in this area. Only lost one on the edge, probably a combo of dry and cold. But overall, these started as landscape plugs. They actually grew quite a bit over the course of the winter in this box. I think this little area is going to look really nice with this Carex cherokeensis just filling in as a ground cover. Okay, now I have an empty window box. You can see this is one my husband made. This design is really brilliant. It's made out of cedar, so it doesn't need to be painted or stained. It's not going to rot. He used galvanized screws for it. And again, you see how it just sort of, hooks on to the house. It's really easy to put on and off. And I just find that it's easier for me to replant here at my potting bench versus carrying everything up there and working out the window. So my first step is simple. I'm just going to put a light layer of soil cube in the bottom. And though it's pretty heavy because it's wet right now, this will dry out. The great thing about using soil cube as the base for these succulents, I really don't have to worry too much about keeping them watered with any sort of regularity. The thing with that window box is it really never gets any rain and only gets watered when we have like a tripod sprinkler running out front. So that's why I can't grow plants that need a lot of water in this because, well, that's just not the realistic application of this window box. And for years I've been doing succulents and they've really done so well. So I think this year I'm going to add some of my new mangaves. I actually got this variety on purpose. This is called Frosted Elegance. And I was thinking about putting these in because they're a good scale. They're not as big as some of the other mangaves. And then I have some other succulents from last year that I'll be able to plop in, and I'm going to repurpose the plants from this hanging basket because it's just simply too heavy to hang. So I'll have to use a slightly lighter weight soil for these hanging baskets because the soil cube is doing its job a little too well, and I'm afraid to hang it. It looks a little bit beat up, but overall I'm happy with it, and I know that it'll grow out well. So now it's just time to hang it back up. Thanks, guys.
You're welcome.
Well, I hope you'll be inspired to include succulents in your window box. They are such low maintenance, high impact plants, and I just can't say enough about how wonderful and easy they are to grow. Well, if you found this video to be helpful, please give me a thumbs up. Be sure to share it with your friends and subscribe to the Bree the Plant Lady YouTube channel for more practical gardening advice. As always, thanks for watching, everybody.